let's connect with Mr. R.K. Singh, Chairman and Managing Director of BPCL. Mr. Singh, good morning. Thank you for joining us. Mr. Singh, the Oil Ministry on Friday clearly indicated that a fuel price hike is being considered. Have you heard anything from the Ministry on that?
See, if Minister has made a statement, you have to go by that statement. I can't add or delete anything from there. But all I know is, as you know, that there is some proposal, but this is a proposal stage. I am not party to such a decision. I am only hearing from the newspapers and from you people. Now that you have heard from the Minister, that must be true.
Right, Mr. Singh, so assuming a price hike does not, or rather does come about, what is being talked about in terms of a rupee per month on diesel? What is going to be the impact of it?
See, if that indeed gets done, I am not sure, because I told you this is a proposal I have heard about, and since you are saying Minister has made such a statement, I take it that it must be true. If that does happen, and if the crude prices remain at this level as it is today, and rupee dollar exchange rate also doesn't fluctuate much, it remains in the same range as it is today, then the increase of 1 rupee per month will wipe out the entire under-recovery in a matter of a year or so. And that will certainly increase the cash position of the oil companies, because right now we are being compensated by the government, and money comes late, and in the interim period we have to borrow heavily from the banks at a very high interest rate, and all this problem will be resolved to a large extent, because cash position of the oil companies will improve, thereby the borrowing will come down, and we will be able to mobilize working capital through our own sources.
Mr. Singh, but does it look realistic, 1 rupee per month on diesel, given the kind of political compulsions we have?
To me, it doesn't look unrealistic at all, because increasing today under recovery on diesel, for example, is about close to 10 rupees, and if any government or anybody increases the price by 10 rupees in one go, that will be a chaotic situation and people will feel the shock. But if you do it in a phased manner, people will get adjusted to it, and it will not be a sudden shock to the economy. So I think it's a good move. I entirely agree with that if it happens, and it will be good for the economy, good for the country, good for the oil companies. Yeah.
Right. Mr. Singh, there are also reports circulating that probably the government would review the formula according to which under-recoveries are being calculated. This also may lead to lower under-recoveries. What are your thoughts if this proposal is to be considered?
See, I am not aware of any such proposal when the formula of calculating the under-recovery is being reviewed or changed. But currently, marketing companies, they are paying a price to the refineries, what we call is refinery gate price. And on that they are adding their normal marketing margins and the cost of distribution, and that is how we determine the sales price. And since we are selling below the actual price, that's under recovery that we talk about. I don't know where the mistake. Therefore, if there is some change taking place in the refinery gate price formula, that's a different thing. We are already it is a trade parity that we are paying to the refining companies, and if there is any such change, the government or whoever is going to make the change will have to examine the refinery profitability as well, because we have to make heavy investment in the refinery sector, and we have to invest in the marketing infrastructure. So I don't think money can be mobilized if we tinker with the refinery gate price.
And finally, Mr. Singh, ET now has learned that your consortium partner Videocon is in advanced talks to monetize their stake in the Mozambique E&P business, and this could be at a higher value than the Cobb Energy deal. Are you also planning to monetize your Mozambique E&P assets?
You see, I can't comment on what Videocon is thinking or doing. Yes, Co-Energy stake was 8.5%, which was bought over by PTT Thailand for close to $2 billion. So, and Videocon stake is 10%. So, with the same valuation, certainly it will be close to $3 billion. I don't deny that, $3 billion. But as far as we are concerned, we do not have any such intention to monetize in the immediate future. We want to stay on, and we want to be a party to the entire process of development, monetization through the sale of gas, and we are quite serious about it, because the reserve that they are talking about is close to 100 TCF now. If that be the case, we will get about 10 TCF, since we are a marketeer of gas. We have a gas, we are a significant gas player, and we are marketing gas in our own country. We are augmenting our gas distribution infrastructure. With all this, I don't think we will be selling our stake. We want to stay on, and we want to stay on till the entire process and till the end of the project.
Mr. Singh, good chatting with you. Appreciate you taking the time out and joining us today on the show.